Hi children, good morning. I am very happy to see you all through this online class. I hope you are all safe at home. Obey your parents, don't go unnecessarily outside. Okay, be safe in your home. Okay, today let us see about our subject. Our subject is English. Okay, so we are going to learn about the sea turtles. Okay, the name of the lesson is sea turtles. Okay, do you know the sea? Did you visit to the beach with your parents maybe? How you feel when you go to the beach? You feel very enjoyment, you like to play in the water. So what did you see on the beach? Seashells you see, crab you see, fish. So many of the things it lives in the sea that you are going to see. Even the turtle also lives in the sea. About that we will see in this lesson. Okay. Okay children, about turtle. Where do you see this turtle? You can see in the zoo or a reptile park. What is the reptile park? That park you can see the reptiles, everything. Reptiles means snakes, everything can be kept, means dangerous animals, everything it can be kept in the reptile park. Okay, now let us move through the lesson. See, most of us have seen a tortoise in a zoo or a reptile park. However, not many would have seen its marine relative, the sea turtle. It is not surprising since these reptiles spend almost the entire life in the sea. What they have said that these sea turtles, they spend all the entire life, means whole life it spent in the sea itself. Okay. So, there are 7 species of marine or sea turtles in the world. How many they have explained? 7 species about the turtles they have explained. But only 5 only it is found in the coastal water. Means 7 species of turtles are there, but only 5 it is found in the our side, means in the Indian coastal waters. They have given the names of the 5 turtles. So let us see about it. So olive ridley, then hawksbill, the green sea turtle, the loggerhead and the leatherback. These are the 5 types of the turtles that we found in the coastal areas. Okay, so compared to the most turtle, sea turtles are huge. Means if you compare the turtle, means if you compare the tortoise and the turtle have very huge means very big. So even the smallest species, the olive ridley, weighs up to 35 kg when fully grown. Means actual what they have said in this 5 we see that in the coastal area the sea turtle, that olive ridley is one type of turtle. This is the smallest turtle they say. But even though it is very small, when it is fully grown means it is that 35 kg weight of the small, that olive ridley weight is 35 kg. Then see how much it may be the big tortoise, other turtles, everything. Okay, so the leatherback grows to a length of 2.2 meters and each could weigh as much as 700 kg. Oh my goodness. The leatherback means the back of the turtle, no, that length it is 2.2 meters and everything include that it becomes the weight as 700 kg. We can't carry even 70 kg, but the turtle weight it is 700 kg. Sea turtle lives their life entirely in the ocean. The turtle, sea turtle, entire life means the whole life. It lives in the ocean only. It doesn't go to any other place. The entire life, whole life, it lives in the oceans. But they still have a connection with the land. Even though they spend the whole life in the ocean, it has connection with the land also. How? Let us see. They must come ashore to lay the eggs. Although the turtles used to spend the whole life in the ocean, it has to come to the land. Why? Because to lay the eggs. They cannot lay the eggs in the ocean. To lay the eggs, they have to come to the land. Okay. So, today 4 of the sea turtle species mentioned above have become extremely rare in India. Means already what they said starting 7 turtles, they spices turtles they said, but only 5 is found in the coastal, means in our side. In that also they have mentioned about the olive ridley, and the other 4 turtles it is rarely found, means we can't see mostly the other 4 also, rarely means sometimes only you can see that 4 types of turtles. Okay, so the olive ridley however are still common seeing nesting on sandy beaches all along our coast. Means it is commonly you can see this type of turtle laying the eggs on the beaches all along our coast. Coast means the edge of the land, edge of the sea, that we say as an coastal. Okay. Okay, already I informed you that even though the olive ridley spend the entire life in the ocean, means in the sea, sometimes it come outside to lay the eggs, I informed you. So, between the month of January and March, at that time the female, the turtle came shore, means the seashore, to lay the eggs. Okay, but when did they lay the eggs, do you know? It lay the eggs in the night time only. It doesn't come to the daytime to lay the eggs. It comes at the night time to lay the eggs. There is quite a problem for them, as a turtle front flippers enable it to swim gracefully and effortless, but they are not very useful for moving on the land. Okay, what they have said, do you know? This is the front flippers we say, the front side of these flippers. They use very easily and effortlessly when they swim on the sea. But when they come to the land, these two are not that much effort, that much it is not useful to walk, means you swim on the land. Okay, so the turtle has hurled its laborious on the beach. Then it chooses a spot well away from the high tide line. Here it swoops out of a nest cavity 45 centimeter deep, into which it lays about 100 eggs. Oh my goodness, what these turtles used to do, you know? I said that they used to come at the night time to lay the eggs. So to lay the eggs, they come to the land. They dig deep out to how much deep it is? It is up to 45 centimeter deep. Means just it dig the mud 45 centimeter deep and it lay the eggs at a time. That means one time this turtle used to lay 100 eggs. Oh God, 100 eggs they used to lay one time. Okay, so each egg is in the shape and size of a table tennis ball. Did you see the table tennis? You like to play? Did you like to play table tennis? The ball size, do you know? Each and every egg size is like a table tennis ball. That means 100 balls. Just you imagine how much it may be. So once all the eggs are laid, the turtle fills it the cavity. Then it camouflages the nest by tossing sand on it using its flippers. That done, it return to the sea. The eggs are left into the incubate under the warmth of the sun. Actually, do you know what happens after laying the egg? Means in one time 100 egg it lays. Then what it used to do, it with the help of the flippers, I told you, no, this is known as the flippers. By using the flippers, it used to cover the egg with the sand. After covering it, it doesn't wait there to hatch the eggs. No, never. It used to go to the sea again. Just it comes to the land, it lays the eggs, then afterwards it goes to the sea again. It never used to take care of the eggs. But the warmth of the sun, during the warmth of the sun only, the eggs hatches and the little turtles came outside of the sand. So, in many places around the world, local people follow the track of the turtle to its nest. They collect the eggs for eating. Means actual the turtles after laying the eggs, it doesn't used to watch there, I said. So while going, the shadow may be there. Yeah, the way it can, by flipping, we can see the footpath of the turtles. By seeing this footpath of the turtles, the people, the other local people used to come and they used to remove the sand and used to take the eggs, and they used to eat it. Jackal, domestic dogs and pigs to dig up and eat the eggs by following the scent left by the turtle. Means not only the local people, even the animals like jackals and the domestic dogs, pigs. These animals also used to dig the sand and used to take the eggs and eat the eggs. Okay. So those eggs that escape such peoples and predators hatch 45 to 60 days later. Means even though the local people used to come and take the eggs, then the domestic animal like jackal, dog, then pigs, they used to dig. In this 100 eggs, maybe if there is something remaining, the eggs it is there, 45 to 60 days after that, the turtles used to come out of the eggs. Okay, the hatching slash open the leathery egg cells with the help of the tiny egg tooth. See, even the turtle have the egg tooth. By the help of the egg tooth, they used to remove the egg cells and they used to come outside of the egg cells. Okay, this is like a razor blade at the tip of the hatchling snout. When most of the eggs have hatched, the hatchlings push themselves upward through the sand and emerge on the surface of the beach. From here they make a hurried dash to the sea. Wow, oh, so nicely, no? Means see, for the turtle, it doesn't take the help of the mother. Just the mother used to lay the eggs and it used to close it and used to go. It never used to take care of the eggs. So how the eggs are protected? See, the domestic everything they eat, remaining the eggs only. It comes out of the sand. That also how with the help of the tooth. That means like a razor blade, it is like that. With the help of the tooth, they cut the egg cells and they come out of the sand and themselves they used to go emerge in the sea. No one shows the path. This is the sea. Here you have to go. Automatically the total small young sea turtle used to go to the sea. Okay, now many of these tiny hatchlings which weigh less than 20 grams each. Okay, now we saw the small turtle used to come out of the egg. So what was the weight of this small turtle? It was only 20 gram. Okay, small turtle weight is 20 gram. So each will not even reach the sea. That means that was small. It was not able to reach the sea also. It was very difficult to reach the small turtles to reach the sea. They will fall prey to the crab or birds even before they reach the water. So sad, no? The mother turtle lay the eggs, it does not take care of it. That dog, jackal, they used to eat the egg. Then remaining parts, if it is there, it is hatched 45 to 60 days. After that, after a difficulty, it used to use its blade, the teeth, and it used to come. It weighs only 20 gram and it was very difficult to reach the sea. But before reaching the sea, see what happens. In the sea you can see the birds, crab, that everything. These used to catch these turtles and used to eat for the food. So sad, no, the turtle, small turtle life is. Okay, so they will fall prey to crab or birds even before they reach the water. Most of those that do not make it into the water will be also eaten by many predators in the sea. So sad. Within the first few days of their lives, in fact, scientists estimate that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchling becomes an adult. See what they said, 1,000. Means the turtle used to lay only 100 eggs. That was, we think that it is so much eggs. But in the 1,000 eggs, no, only rare few only, means 1 or 2 only it becomes as an adult, because the eggs was eaten by the jackal, then dog, pigs, then the local people used to eat it. Then after that we had difficulty to come out, the crab, the birds used to eat that. So most of the life is close in this way itself. So rarely only 1,000, only one adult turtle it becomes alive. So it is perhaps to ensure that enough sea turtles lay so many eggs. Okay, so after many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchling that have become adult return to the same beach where there was born. The same procedure is followed. Okay, after that the adult used to come to the sea, then it entire life is goes into the ocean itself, then afterwards it come outside to the sand to lay the eggs. It lays that 100 eggs, again that same procedure whatever I explained you before, it used to happen. Then at last any 1 year 2 it comes to the hatchling, again the same procedure only it is given in this lesson. Okay, they come there to lay the own eggs. How they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries of the fascinating reptiles. But see what they have explained, even though from this 1,100 of the eggs the turtle used to come, no one shows that in this place only you are born. For us, our mother used to say, okay, you didn't born in this place, you born in Coimbatore, Yathirichi, whatever. Then only we come to know that we was born in the particular place. For sea turtles, the parents never used to say, because the sea turtles never used to take care of the eggs. Then how they come to know where it was born? But even though see that it was a miracle, they said that the sea turtles which was born in the same place, no, it used to go into the same place to hatch the eggs. So how this was a miracle only. Okay, so sea turtles are among the most wonderful creature we share this planet with. Really, it was very nice to see the turtles. Yes, they are not so small that fibblers, everything. We are very happy to see the small reptiles, everything. Yes, they are not. So they have survived natural dangers for millions of the years. Really, no, even these turtles also used to have natural dangers also, rain, thunder, storm, everything. That is all the natural dangers only, no. So, but sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in a grave danger. Not only from this one, even from the humans also, these turtles are very danger. Okay, so there are many factors that threaten the survival. People hunt them for the meat or collect the eggs. Really, we are human, but we know everything, but even though without mercy, we are cruel, we collect the eggs of the turtles, and we used to eat the meat of the turtle. So sad, no? Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nest of the motorbikes. Yes, because turtles move very slowly. It doesn't move very fastly or quickly. So sometimes when it was trying to cross the road, at that time by accidentally it comes under the motorbikes, your car, your like truck, vehicles. Okay. Then problems like pollution, dumping of plastic into the ocean, and construction activities of nesting beaches also hurt the survival. Real only. So many problems. Miss, see in the ocean, in the sea, so many dumping, miss, from the factories, whatever it is coming, the polluted water, everything, it merges in the sea. So like this turtles, fish, everything, it causes very danger for this turtles and fishes, everything. Okay, so plastic into the ocean and construction activities on nesting beaches also hurt the survival. Not only this one, even the plastics, every waste things, everything, it is thrown on the ocean. This also affect the survival of the fish like turtles, crab, whatever it lives in the sea, means in the ocean. Only by systematically tackling these problems and removing the threats can we ensure that sea turtle will continue to exist in the years to come. Yes, really, if you take care of this everything, then only there will be a survival. Yes, or not? I already told you this much eggs, if it is hatched, then also only a few only it comes to the alive as become as an adult. Even though so many lot of problem they have to come an adult, and after that also when they come to the ocean, once again we peoples are creating the problem like throwing the unwanted waters in the ocean, then throwing the plastic and wastage of the things, everything. Even this causes danger for the animals like turtles, that are everything. So children, what I am trying to say, no, we must always take care of these things, everything. We must love the animals and the nature. Okay children, I enjoyed a lot. I hope you also enjoyed a lot. Thank you children.